everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will going to focus on NumPy. The NumPy is one of the Python library which we are using for the array. Before we start with our topic, if you are new to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon to see my all updated video or upcoming videos, and share this video to the maximum people who want to become a data analytics or data science or who is interested to learn Python. So let's come to the topic. We will focus on what is NumPy. So we will first focus on the introduction. So NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. Okay. So I would like to explain you what is array. So array is a fundamental data structure used in programming to store a collection of items of the same data type. Imagine it is like a box with a multiple compartments where each compartment can hold only one item, but all the compartments are the same size. The breakdown to understand the array better: same data type, right? So all the element within an array must be of the same data type. For instance, you can't store the number and text together in the same array. The fixed size: once an array is created, its size, the number of components, is typically fixed. So you can't add or remove the element later or without recreating an entire array. Accessing by index: so each element in array has a unique position called its index. Starting from 0, you can access any element by referring to its index. So for example, if we take a simple example, let's say you want to store the grocery item on your shopping list: apple, bread, milk, and eggs. So here an array can represent your list. So what I'll do is I'll just show you, in the Python, we'll import NumPy as np. Import NumPy as np. Okay, so I'll import that, and then I'll take example of grocery as I said. So what I'll do is I'll just take this. I'll create a array for the grocery list, and these are the items that I want to put, right? So if I execute that, so if I print grocery list, you can see that this is my array. Okay, so the grocery list is the name of the array. So this is the name of the array. Each item within the square bracket, right? So this is a square bracket, is the element of array. So these are the element of array. Apple is the index 0. Okay, so in Python it starts with the index 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So index 0 is apple, index 1 is bread, right? So to access a specification item, you can use the index within the square bracket after the array name. For instance, okay. So for instance, the first item that you want to extract from the grocery list. So index 0 is an apple. So you should get an apple as an answer, right? So if I print first item here, you can see apple is there, right? So this is we called as array. What I mean to say. Coming back to introduction. So the NumPy is a Python library used for working with array. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and metrics. The NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant, and it is an open source project, and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for numerical Python. Right? Now we'll move on to the second topic: why to use NumPy. In Python, we have a list that serves the purpose of array, but they are slow to process. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50x faster than the traditional Python list. The array object in NumPy is called as ND-array, that is the n-dimensional array. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with n-dimensional array very easy. So arrays are very frequently used in data science, where the speed and resources are very important. Okay. So if you don't know data science is a branch of computer science where we study how to store, use, analyze the data for driving information from it, right? So data science is nowadays very, very popular, and there are a lot of jobs in data science. So if you want to become a data science or data analytics, you have to stay tuned to my channel, because I love videos on data science and data analytics. So stay tuned to my channel. We'll cover the next topic: why NumPy is faster than list. NumPy array are stored at one continuous place in memory, unlike a list. So the processes can access and manipulate them very efficiently. This behavior is called as locality of reference in computer science. So this is the main reason why NumPy is faster than list. Also, it is optimized to work with the latest CPU architecture, right? So this is how, why it is faster than list. Now we will quickly going to see the simple example, of NumPy. I know. So as you know that installation of NumPy, right? It is very easy. I believe you have already installed Python into your PC. So if you don't have the Python library into your PC, or it is not installed, what you can do is you can just write pip install NumPy. It is very easy syntax. It will install to your system, right? Now we will quickly going to see import NumPy. So we are just calling the NumPy library over here, and we are giving an alias as NP. So the NP is, the alias that we are frequently used by everyone. So you can use the another name as well, but NP is, everyone is using. So we will also use the same, right? So now we will quickly see the simple example of array. So if I just take this one, like the numpy.array. This is my functionality. This is the the syntax for the numpy, and we will define the array, right? So if I print the array over here, right, for example, I'm just printing it. Say, let me copy paste the syntax again. Numpy is not defined, right? So yeah. So NP, because we have defined NumPy as NP, right? So we have to write np.array, and here we list, right? So this is how the simple example that we can understand. I hope you understand the topic. I will create a more topic on NumPy in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned to this to my videos. Share this video to the maximum people who want to learn Python, want to become a data science or data analytics. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.